Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to fix unable to register Discord account. So yeah, let's start video. So in this guide I will tell you some steps. So first off, exit Discord in your browser. Click on the three dots on the extreme right of the URL field. Select more tools followed by clear browsing data, and then select cookies and other site data. Click on the clear data button. Reopen Discord in your browser. Make sure create an account, Discord account set your age 13 or older. After this, make sure if you are using computer to create Discord account, use your mobile phone instead. If you are using your mobile phone to create a Discord account, use a computer instead. Visit Discord on different browser from the list: Chrome, Edge, Firefox or Safari. So this is how you can do it. So that's it.